dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, I didn't even do, did I do an intro? No, I didn't do an intro. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. I don't feel good. If you're new here, which some of you may be, I'm sorry, my videos don't normally start out this way. I'm not feeling well. Actually just went to the store. It's lunchtime. I got some diet ginger ale, a salad, and I picked up some stomach relief, some generic Pepto. I don't know, I'm sure it has all the freaking carbs in the world in it, but I'm gonna try to hold out as long as I can before I end up taking any. I am miserable today. I have the worst indigestion, and I've not had this problem in so long. I don't want to park over here. I don't like people watching me eat. I've not had this problem in so long, and so I'm in pain. I'm having a crappy day, you guys. So listen to this. I woke up to a message from somebody, and it said, and did you just start keto or something like that? And it was on like an old video, and I replied and I said, no, I started November 1st, 2018. Smiley face. They say, really? No offense, peace sign. Because, what did they say? I have to look at it now because it's got me heated. Really? No offense, but you don't look leaner. Peace sign. I just started 4 weeks ago and my face looks better than before. I lost 10 pounds already, so I'm just wondering, ... Did you hit your goal weight? I said, you realize this video is old? I've lost 76 pounds. If you have to start a sentence with no offense, but, it's probably going to be taken the wrong way. You may have had every kind intention in the world. I don't know if you could have any kind intention in the world when you're talking like that. I don't know. I would never say something to somebody like that. That was totally out of line to me, and with the day I'm having, it really did hurt my feelings. So I don't know, whatever makes me mad, because it's just rude. It's just rude and uncalled for. So I'm glad you've lost 10 pounds in 4 weeks. I lost 10 pounds in 4 weeks. Everybody loses that much weight when they first start keto. Well, not everybody, but the majority. Cool, good for you. It gets harder the more weight that you've lost. I'm sorry that you're also a guy more than likely, and guys lose weight quicker too. It's just rude. Just very rude. Please don't be one of those people. Never be one of those people. I feel like as people who are on a weight loss journey, we all should treat each other good and not be hurtful to each other. I don't know. I'm gonna eat. Try to eat. I don't know. I'm just really feeling like crap. Bye. Hey guys. I'm feeling like absolute crap today. Second dose of Pepto. I don't know what's going on. I have heartburn now. My indigestion is now like heartburn, and nothing is fixing it. I had a notification that I missed a package yesterday, and so they took it to the post office. So I made it here just in time to get it. This is exciting. So my package is from Nut Pods. They sent me their almond and coconut creamer variety 4-pack for me to try. I am very excited to try this. And I'll dive more into it when I get home, but I just wanted to take a peek because I've never seen these yet anywhere. and how absolutely awesome. Coffee, tea, you can cook with them. So they sent me in their variety pack, they have French vanilla, original, hazelnut, and caramel. I know they have like a pumpkin, like I've seen other people use them. I've never seen these anywhere, so this is really cool. And I assume they don't have to be refrigerated. They are keto friendly, paleo friendly, carotene free, soy free, non-GMO, dairy free, unsweetened, and plant-based. That is nice. Okay guys, we'll go more over that when I get home. I gotta try to get out of this parking spot. So I don't know, I have all this pain from the indigestion and it's turning into heartburn now, which I think that's kind of the same thing, maybe, I don't know. But I'm tired. I was really tired yesterday. I couldn't even get my video uploaded yesterday. I'm stressed out over what? I don't know. I'm getting like really emotional over things that I know I shouldn't let bother me. I know that comments on my channel shouldn't bother me. Like, why is it bothering me? I know how far I've come. I know that I've lost 76 pounds. Well, I had lost 76 pounds. Like I said this morning, the scale, like, what are you doing? The light is green still. Calm down. Jesus. I'm trying to go through a green light and this person's trying to turn into me. Like, the light is green. So my give a F button is broken today and I'm not cooking. I just placed a mobile order for Wendy's and I'm gonna go pick it up soon. But I wanted to show you the nut pods. I'm totally gonna do a review on these tomorrow after I've used it. And then look what else I got in the mail. I'm excited to try this. This is a keto nut granola. It's 18 grams of fat, 2 net carbs. And I know Erin actually just used this today. She was using this and she said it was good. And it looks like it's a lot of nuts. There's sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, coconut chips, sliced almonds. So I'm excited to give this a try. I think I'll probably try this over the weekend, get some yogurt. I don't have any yogurt to try it in right now. That definitely looks good. I don't even have barely any almond milk. So I have a video to shoot tonight for High Key Snacks giveaway, and then over the weekend I'm gonna be recording one for Cut the Carb giveaway. You guys are gonna be super excited about these giveaways. And then tomorrow the Lollis winner gets picked, so I really need to edit these videos so you guys know all this. I think I'm just gonna do, I don't know, yeah, it's gonna be epic. So Linkovich, come here buddy, I need love. Tell me, I need lovin's. Yes. Are you a sweet boy? You sweet boy? My baby. I need the lovin's. I don't know. I just want to eat, edit this, and then like watch TV. I'm done. I'm over it. We're over it, huh, Linky? We're over it. Sitting at my computer, about to eat this salad, and then I'm gonna have a Dave's triple. That's my dinner tonight. Eating my emotions. I'm editing all the things on my computer upstairs. I need a laptop. Have a good night, guys.